So let's go ahead and set this up next to this Mustang right here. Alright guys, and the canopy is up and ready to go. I didn't secure it to the ground yet because I want to put the Mustang here first, and then if I need to move the tent around a little bit, I still can move it around, but I will secure it to the ground, drill some holes, anchor it so it doesn't move. I couldn't be any happier with this canopy, the tent cover, 10 by 20. It's perfect for my projects. Obviously, they're not getting wet, and it's not even moving. I mean, it's pretty windy right now, as you can tell by the trees and by the sound. You can tell it's picking up. And I did tie down one side right here to the Mustang right there, and then I did one more corner right here, just to the bricks, to the pallets right there, and that's pretty much all. Honestly, in my case, that's all that's really needed. And there was a few days where it was extremely windy, and this thing wasn't going anywhere. And then of course I did screw it down to the bottom. I only did single screws, anchored it on the bottom. So yeah, for the price of $249, honestly, you're not going to get a better deal than this, especially for the quality. Also, you're getting these cool little straps right here on each brace. Basically, that reinforces the whole section over here, and that makes it more stable as well. You also get a bunch of these extra ones in case they start ripping or whatever over time. You can replace that as well. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, I got the link in the description. I figured I'll update you guys on how this canopy is doing. All right, let's get back to work.